We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Sabina code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood, on a kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pin a fold. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer,
in
now
love
we
with
like.
lot.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Coming with a ski mat, bitch, with a big bag. A 4-0 with the 4-4.
Coming in with some
Eat low
mojo, with a Gucci
bag.
bag. We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, I can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls
Dancing everywhere.
The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags
Everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
This young T.
E young, ooh, young E, young, oh, young what? Hey, hey, hey. Young ooh, young me. Catch him with the pitching. Rumor with petition. Mission wishes with a question man. Shit. You got no boys. It's live, baby. We are live. We are live. Ooh, why is that not working? That is dead. Brother. Hope.
Brother,
Alright.
Oh my God, dude.
How are you? I'm doing good, gang. We about to go crazy. Another live stream. Millionaire. You know what time it is. It's Uganda Force. We are live. Dang, man, my cut needs a little touch up, but guess what? We don't care because we about to get rich. We about to go crazy. Welcome to another Sunday live stream. We are going to be going crazy. This is the best. I love your shorts. Man, thank you, brother. Thank you for the shorts. But today, man, thank you for joining me live, bro. Thank you for joining me live.
Oh my God.
Man, thank you for the love, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, man.
Oh my God.
I don't know what to say. I'm gonna put the hands up for watching my shorts, man. Kate Lawson over here in the chat. I'm gonna give you the air horns to appreciate you for your love. I'm gonna give you another round of air horns to appreciate K Lawson. 4932. But you know what? We are back with another Sunday Money live stream, bro. Oh my God. Can y'all believe we in week 9 already? Ain't gonna lie. Like, I was off by 1 week. So when you go back in the live streams, I think put 1 week same number, but I made that correction. I was supposed to make that last week. But oh well, I do not care. But we in week 9. Welcome to another great live stream. We about to go over some charts. We about to go over some news. I'm more of a chartist. That's my specialty. But you know, we're gonna go over the technical analysis of the market. But I'm glad to be here. Thank you for joining Uganda Trades. We about to go crazy.
Oh my God.
Let's get it. All right, so before we get into anything crazy, you know what? Let's just review charts, man. Let's talk about a video right quick. You know, bruh, look at these earnings, beat expectations, earnings expectation by 5.54%. And guess what? Guess what happens immediately after? And I saw this. I saw this. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it, not gonna lie. When I saw a price on the 5-minute gap down before close, I know it's not gonna be cute. Look at that. I got pooped on, fool. So like this was one of my play. Wazam Diesel. This was one of my play I had for Nvidia, especially earnings, man. Look, earnings. Like, bro, this setup would have been perfect. But oh my god.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Price gapped up the day before the earnings, bro. We had chances, but it cooked us. It cooked us. We got cooked. Look at these. Thursday, Friday, just pooped. And I was all in too. I was all in. I had some good contracts. I was holding in my chat. Hey, before we go crazy, like y'all need to join this Discord right quick. This money moves though. Money moves right here. Money moves, bro. Like I think there's a link in the description, but sheesh, bro. Look at this. Look at this, man. I was all in it. Nvidia pooped on me. I was up a little bit, but sheesh, I was holding. Nvidia, Apple calls, all got. Look at the brother supporting me. But look what happened. I got pooped on. I should have closed these Apple calls, but I also got pooped on too. So it is what it is. The market was cooking me, brother. Market was cooking me because Apple also got cooked. Yeah, it's just shit on. But guess what? It's okay.
What the hell?
That's how it was Thursday morning. When I saw them earnings. Like after earnings, you expect Nvidia to go crazy. What's that? Brother. Oof. But it's okay though. You know what? Check out these. Let's do a little quick review of what happened last week. The last week of February. As you can see here, with Meta, I'm only going over the daily chart, but not a lot of movement. We didn't go up or down. We just stayed in the same little zone, right? So I feel like from now on, I'm gonna do that. Our resistances between these levels. If we break, we're gonna go up here, or if we break below the support, we're gonna be going down here. Break above this current resistance, we go here, but the market didn't do nothing. And then look at Microsoft. Microsoft also gapped down a little bit, but you know, with the Nvidia earning expectations being great, everybody thought the market's gonna jump, but we have a war breakout. We had a war breakout, which also caused a sell-off of, like, you know, these chip companies. And as you can see also with Tesla, you can see Tesla also, you know, kind of stayed underneath the support, but you know, still holding this support level. So I know there's a lot of fear with the war with Iran and, you know, against the US. So we might see a market downturn for the mega cap companies. But hey, we're gonna see. You know me, I stay trading, I keep it a buck, I keep it a real. You know. Then Google gapped up on Friday after being underneath the support level. And then look at Apple. Thursday, Friday. And I was in it too. I was in it from here. Held it. Still got pooped on. And then let's go to Amazon and see Amazon still haven't. I don't know. I feel like Amazon gonna go crazy once we break this daily resistance, and then the holy moly poopy dookie Nvidia after reporting great earnings, but looks like the military, I think more the Iran stuff, Iran technology at Mobile World Congress partnership facts And I feel like the war definitely affected that. Let's go to gold though. Gold's been doing great. Dang, gold, gold, gold. Gold on my watch. Gold on my chain. Can't believe it just. Ooh, can't believe it just. Watch. Migga, migga, migga.
Oh my God.
I'm out here rapping for y'all. But I need, it's not my career. Look at gold. Broke this resistance too. Look at the sweet test. Boom. And I was looking at above this level. Cause look, boom. Look at this right here. Look at this. This wick. This is a nasty wick. On a 4-hour. Is that a glitch? Probably a glitch. Never wicked. That's a glitch, fool. That never happened. It's a glitch. But let's go on the hour. Boom. You see it? And gold definitely gonna do some more pushing up. And material. MP materials. And if we break above this level, but it's been within this range for a while. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's look at what Bitcoin doing. Bitcoin getting pooped on. Bitcoin getting pooped on. Bitcoin getting shattered on. But looks like it tried to, push above. But shit, Bitcoin might see the way we're looking like, making lower lows. You might see Bitcoin hit 50K. And that's gonna be a big loss. Be a big ass loss for real. It's gonna be a big ass loss. But regardless of that, let's clear the freaking charts. Another major news right now is the Iran war affecting stock market overall, and people are indecisive of, and the market's in fear. I'm gonna say the market's in fear. But with that though, like market's in fear, there's plenty of opportunity, right? Fear creates opportunities. I'm gonna say it again. Fear creates opportunities, right? So if you see this major cap company sell off, right? Look at it like this, right? It's kind of showing you, it's giving you a point to, if you're investing, right? This is giving you a chance to get into it, because with fear, COVID, tariff wars, China, more tariff wars, crisis, recession, is just an opportunity to get in for the long term, right? Long term investment. This I'm talking about investment wise. But through fear, when people are fearful, that's when you get into it and buy, especially when it's known a company, especially when a company produces revenue for a while, right? Get into this major market caps, especially when fear is in the market, because that's when you buy, right? And fear, with the war, that's gonna create fear, and that's when we gonna get in and get to that bag, right? Get it to that bag. All right. So let's go to open up this. Go to Google. No. Go to Earning Hub. Earning Hub right away. Let's see what's going to be earning. What's something to watch out for? Something interesting. I can see any company. Target is dropping earnings. That's a major company. This mother lover right here went crazy. Shine. I have it in my Shine. Let's go to Shine. Dang. It's you can never have FOMO, right? Because you can't trade everything. But dang, it kind of hurts looking back, because I was looking at Shine. And they got, excuse me, and they got earnings coming up. Boom, look at that. Bruh. I marked it up. What's funny, I marked this up at the beginning of February. I marked this up at the beginning of February. And this joint done jumped 100 freaking points, yo.
Oh my God.
Pain, bro. Pain. I be trading the wrong crap. Man, that's why I gotta lock in more, man. I feel like, then look at Vert too. Vert had earnings. This joint marked it up, 80 points.
Oh my God.
Crazy. United Health gap down. United Health gap down. Webull, man. Webull could have. That's 4 points down, man. That's still money on. And then BX. Look, when I marked it up around February, so this is a weekend. But look at that. Look at that. Sheesh. Adobe got cooked. Coinbase. I think I like Coinbase. I like Coinbase is showing some, potential, but look at this. Look at this. Trade. I'm gonna get into them long-term plays, fool. Because man, look at this. Look at this play with SoFi. Boom. Sheesh, still cooked. Beware when prices underneath support. Gotta be wary. MU, Micron Technology. Where's the RSI? That shit all the way down here. Got indication too. Man, I'm getting distracted. Yo. Let's focus on going on. Got Kroger dropping earnings. Costco dropping earnings. We got Webull dropping earnings. Sheesh. And there's a lot of companies. Not a lot. There's no earnings on Friday. UPS is paying dividends. Man, I need to buy some UPS. FedEx, UPS. I need to buy it. Need to get into it. Get into it. All right, so that's the earnings list for the first week of March. Wow, we already in March in 2026. Ain't time flying, right? We're not getting younger. Time keeps going, right? So we got MiniMed Group, dividends payment. We have ChatGPT. This is ChargePoint Holdings, $6. Wix. All right, let's look at Forex Factory. More inflationary news dropping on Monday, none on Tuesday. Wednesday we have the non-farm employment change, IMS service, and then Thursday we have unemployment claims, and then Friday we have the average hourly earnings, month-over-month core resales, or month-over-month non-farm employment change, retail sales, unemployment rate dropping on Friday. So Friday should be a very hectic day, macro level wise.
Oh my God.
So as you can see, no earning dropping, but there's a lot of macro news dropping on Friday. And then Thursday we have this motherfucker pissed me off because man, I just stopped paying attention. You can't think, man. It almost sucks, bro, because dang, bro, there's some trades I'd be like, dang, what was I? Was I under a rock? That's how I be feeling, especially when something go crazy. Even Costco went crazy. Costco, you know what Costco, keep the cost low. It's Costco. Boom, look at that. Right here. I even marked it up around, here. Dang. Costco, keep the cost low, went crazy too. Let's ask ChatGPT what to expect from the market. So the reason I type bad, bro, I got a whole mic, and like y'all can't see the mic, but the mic is literally in front of the keyboard. So if y'all see me typing slow, I got a whole mic. What to expect in the stock market this week. Summary. Short. All right. So, high volatility likely. Geotension in the Middle East, spooky markets, and pushing oil up. Let's check out oil. Oil, man. Ain't seen that shit in a minute. Oil. This can't be oil. This is oil India. What's oil trading? Sim. Crude oil. Yeah. Crude oil futures. Crude oil futures. What's this freaking? What's this symbol though? Looking for the darn symbol. $70 a barrel too. Bro, I gotta get rid of this shit. Yahoo be pissing me off. Crude oil. Pant. This is a crude oil right here. Oh my God. No way. Dang. US oil. Y'all don't understand how this. I don't, bro.
Oh my God.
Brother. Brother. That's old. Like, this, like, dang. Back in 2022, fool. That's the last time I looked at oil.
Oh my God.
Like, that's crazy. I can't even, like, explain, like, the feeling. Like, seeing your old drawings, fool. I had that being green and yellow, red and green. This is the trend. This definitely was trending up. Yeah. Damn. Look at this. 2022. Oil was going crazy. Now we're here. Bulls overbought. God.
Oh my God.
Can't believe. Damn that. I can't even erase these charts. These charts are legendary. Legendary. Just legendary. Yeah. Like that feeling, like I don't know that feeling. Man, like as a trader, like I can't even explain that feeling. Like, wow, that's my old drawings from 2022, bruh. And oil was going crazy in 2022 too. Look at that. Big hit 130 per barrel, fool. My goodness. The war in the Middle East, man. There's a war in the Middle East. I ain't getting drafted. I'm just getting drafted. For resistance. Yeesh. One time for the one time and one time only. Boom. We broke that trend. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That's all I could say. Look at this, just following it, man. He's a part of me forever now. All right. That off. Geopolitical tension in the Middle East. Economic data, the U.S. big focus job report, other indicators, retail, inflation could move the stock market sharply depending on whether they just growth or weakness. Sector divergence, energy and defense stocks may outperform if oil stays elevated, while tech and more cycle names could lag amid uncertainty about AI description and earnings. Overall tone cautious to negative near term with political swings tied news. Thank you for that, motherfucker. Moving on to the Mag 7. You know what? I haven't do that. I haven't played my little video. Go subscribe to my channel. We got 104 subscribers, bro. We going crazy. We going crazy. We have 140,000 subscribers. 140,000 subscribers. 140K subscribers. Like, man, go show some love to the Reels channel in the goddamn world.
Oh my God.
Let's get it. Find this dude Hoser. Short. This is the Mag 7. Mag 7.
The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech companies which make up 28% of America's
Fair use,
total
fair
market
use.
capitalization as of 2025. They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone.
2024.
Millions of investors a lot of money, but also leaves the U.S. stock market in a scary situation, being more concentrated in one industry than at any other.
Fair use, fair use, fair use.
But which country has the most concentrated stock market? For instance,
that's not important. This is what's important.
Percent of America's total market capitalization. The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech companies which make up 28% of America's total market capitalization.
That's why I show these weekly, and I show you how to spy. I'm gonna add the spy. Damn. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Really adding something new to my orange list.
What the hell?
I'm not doing.
Oh my God. No way.
All right, so y'all saw the video. We're gonna start off with 500, you know, pretty much top 500 stocks in the US. We've been consolidating since freaking, we've been consolidating for a while, since freaking October. Been having the same support, same resistance. This is, I see it. We've been just consolidating. You can put this up a little bit. This price not gotten out of this range. And with the war, maybe we might drop down, you know? The war coming up. Boom, boom. Straight up consolidation. I hate consolidation, man. This is how it feels when the market is not trending up or down. It just feels like this. That's how it feels. Dude, care about opportunities. But anyways, let's look at Meta. Have a look at the higher time frame. I'm getting to it. I'm getting straight to it. But on the higher time frames for SPY, as you can see, like we are showing signs of uncertainty. There's a lot of uncertainty, right? A lot of uncertainty. On the weekly, like we just saying, you know, there's no clear pattern. Are we going up or down? Which is showing a lot of uncertainty. Maybe, you know, we might see it fall apart or continue up. But we are kind of over near even on our side we are kind of oversold on the air side or oversold on the air side. Moving on to Meta though, 'cause I already looked at Spy Meta, Facebook, Facebook Zuckerberg stealing ideas. What you gonna steal next, man? You gonna steal my live streams, huh? Don't do that. I love you, Zuckerberg. I'm never on Threads though. Threads, imagine Threads. You mean Twitter? Anyways, you see, there's more uncertainty. Not a lot of movement. Even on the past 3 weeks, price hasn't left these. It's literally like this. Price hasn't left this $20 range, $4 range, $20. It's been in the same zone. I'm not pushing up or down. Just uncertainty. We saw a bearish engulfing for that peak, push out their earnings, which has been same zone moving. I don't know. Tell you, but I'm not like do not pay attention to stocks that are not moving. There's not a lot of movement. I want to see some breakouts, man. Could we get the summer? I think during the summer, this is when we're gonna see a lot of movement, or April or March. Or maybe March is gonna be a different month. We might see some movement, but on the meta past month wasn't the greatest. Not a lot of movement. Let's just hope that we break out up or down and have some movement. Microsoft, that's on the other spectrum of movement because it's been getting pooped on, losing all those gains. But it's all good. It's all good in the hood. It's all good in the hoodie ski. Man, Microsoft has had the roughest few months. They've gambled on AI, but AI's not gambled on them. It was looking good, from beginning of the year. What was this? 2025. It's the summer too. They just been on a tear, but they got
Brother,
they got pooped on. They be getting pooped on. Shit, it is what it is. It's going to weekly, but there's like some signs of indication, like free falling angels weekly. What does that mean, right? What does that mean? That's what we got Google. So here, free falling angel. Name. Sign of those three white soldiers. White soldier. Three red. Three red soldiers. Calling my phone. Oh, this fool calling me. Bro. Yo, why you calling my phone? Hi boo.
Oh my God.
It's not like that though. Price continues. Let's see. It's like price has been holding the support. Are we gonna continue downward? Microsoft. Yep. Bill Gates, man. Figure this out, man. Huh? Bill Gates, yo. You figure this shit out, gang. Boom. Ooh, there's support. Old ass support. We got a new support right here. Write this down. Yup. 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 Got a resistance here. Our last resistance. Last relevant resistance. Eh. 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 Boom, boom, boom. That's Microsoft right there. Right there, right there. Right there, right there. Right there. Boom, y'all see it? Hi. Shout out to my chatters, man. My chat going crazy. Bumbo. Kibumbo. Kibumbo.
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What, hey, hold on to that! Bomboclat! Rich millionaire! Millionaire!
You already know what time it is. It's rich millionaire time. It's rich millionaire time. It's rich millionaire time. All right, let's go a little closer. Let's go in depth and with Microsoft. See what's going on. Get personal. Let's get handsy. Boom. Yeah, I see it. This little distance here, but also Microsoft on a smaller time frame. Broke down a little bit. But guess what? We don't see no play for real. We're not in play for anything for real with Microsoft. We're back on the daily. I didn't play until we break that resist support, or we go break that resistance. Let's go with Tesla, Dabbot, Elon Musk. Let's see for the past few months, Tesla we've been consolidating, and then we broke down on the downside. So we might see something crazy. Let's go to the weekly. Yeah, we're just being on a downtrend, just downtrend. Go with their friend and get rich. Yes, that's how it works, just like that. Trade with a trend and get rich, and we are on a downtrend. Even holding the support though. Price has been holding this support. Price has been holding El Soporte. I like my Spanish. El Soporte. Price has been holding El Soporte for Tesla. Let's go in the 4 hour. As you can see, man, I'm talking a lot. I need to drink some water. That's delicious.
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Yeah, I'm sorry. That was crazy to do. You know, drinking water like that on stream live. I might get clip farmed. Let's see, boom. Yeah, like same old story. Same old marks. Break resistance, break support. We in play. So I like this. We closer to breaking that support too. Zoom in a little bit to see what's going on in a smaller time frame. See any levels being held up. No level is really being held up in between this no trading zone. It's a no trading zone. If you trade in a no trading zone, you can get cooked regardless because price doesn't know where it wants to go. Next, go to Google. Google down. Google's about to Is Google about to sell off?
Brother.
That was a great combo. Is Google about to sell off? That was a great combo. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna do it again. Is Google about to sell off? What up? All right, let's see. And as you can see on the daily time, on a weekly time frame, Google bearish engulfing continued. Then we had a little pullback, but then last week we were in the midst of a sell. So let's see, man. Let's see what Google this one should do. And then we held the support level. We bounced off the support. Google bounced off this support really well, but failed to stay within this zone right here. So that's our support turned into resistance. This is our resistance, our support. Let's go on a smaller time frame. See market a little better, a little cleaner, but definitely want to mark this up right here. Then up. But that's how I look at it. That's how I look at it. Where I see price move. If price breaks above this, we might not a price predictor, but I'm a participator. Price might push above and go towards the 350 levels to break this level resistance. It's not a real clear resistance too. Price is testing it multiple times, but price has broke it and tested it, broke through it, broke back and tested it and broke through it again. So that's a major point. That's a major level. This 323.15 level for Google. That's a very important level for Google. And we see a lot of price action at that level. Moving on to Apple. And I see y'all buying them orange phones. Them orange phones ugly, gang. Give them up. But Apple also got pooped on too, ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Bearish engulfing. Trying to fight back the past few days. Boom, failed. Let's go to the daily on Apple. Look at this, man. Apple got pooped on.
Brother.
It's crazy work, just crazy. Still see that support being resistance too. Boom, right here. Still kind of valid. And then we are gonna drop the good old day trend. We trending up full, but we failed to break this higher high. Now are we gonna retest that level? This was our support too. Boom. These daily resistance, daily support. Man, I'm looking clean with this charting right now. Look at this. We're on this little uptrend. We're on a little uptrend. We were on the uptrend. See that? Boom. I see it. Looks pretty good. Apple might be in play though. I'm gonna lie. A lot of you, Apple's gonna be in play. Price might bounce off of this and continue. So I'm gonna be looking out for that. Amazonsky. Wow, monthly looks.
Brother.
Look at that. Bearish engulfing too. On a weekly. Also got chopped. And Amazon did not beat its earnings expectations. Short by a month, but it beat revenue by $1 billion. So Amazon, man, you need to make some better shows, man. I don't know how to generate revenue, but they need to do it. Need to do it. But overall, I'm looking at this right here. You can see Amazon, this supported resistance. That could be opportunity for price to fill this gap, or not, you know, or not, or not, or not. Oh, excuse me. Yawning on the stream, that's crazy. You for my energy. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, go back to Amazon for Amazon. Amazon. I don't know. Let's go to a 4-hour. Same resistance too. Hourly. Yeah, man. You moving average. You can do that. So Amazon is a clear distance. Everyone wants to break. See where price goes for. Nothing's guaranteed. And here's video. Just
Brother,
this consolidation, man. Not going nowhere, man. It's pissing me off. Making me mad. Bearish engulfing on the weekly. We'll see a sell-off. See a sell-off. Finally, maybe in the video. Or nah, man. We just need something. It'd be consolidating for freaking 10 freaking months. Almost since July, fool. You've not left this zone since July.
Oh my God! What the hell? Oh my God! No way! Yeah, yeah.
The video is just pooped. Poo 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 poo. Poo 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 poo. And it's about across this 200 MA. Across this 200 MA. Go on another resistance right here. Straight up failing to break it. It's another resistance. Poo. Poo 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 poo. Poo poo poo.
brother, brother,
It's After dropping great earnings too, and they got dividends coming up.
brother,
It's gross. Gross work. Gross work. Just back in this zone again. So it's not in a trading play. Go to our trading list. NVIDIA, go rocks. Out of there. Apple still in play. Microsoft still in play. Tesla still in play. Do I want to trade this? I want to trade this. I like Dollar General. Dungeon. Let's go do some scouting, you know, for our trading list for the week. Well, this is Carvana. Uh-oh. This looks like a bearish evening star, so that's not good.
brother,
Cooked. Not looking great. Then we have the daily candlestick. Oh, let me go to the weekly candlestick. This is signs of uncertainty. Uncertainty in the week. Now we have this right here. Drop my bitch. My head. Damn, bump my head, fool. Bump my head. Mm, 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 mm. I want to trade you. You hurt my feelings. Kavana. I want to trade you. But you hurt my feelings. Kavana. I like Kavana. I'm always going to pop alerts on you. Because you owe me a lot of money, Kavana. Kavana owe me money. Ava, drop earnings. Beat earnings by 40 freaking %. God darn.
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What, hey, what on the
Uh-oh.
Kavana?
Kavana?
Rich! Millionaire! Millionaire!
Uh-oh. Kavana. Starbucks.
Brother,
Terrible earnings. Wingstop. Stuck. My alert on. Ole. Mo.
Oh my God!
Oh. Need support. And I might drop a long-term play. I need to start like buying long-term puts for real, fool. I don't believe in these companies. Bitcoin getting pooped on. Let's remark it. Let's rechart it. It's crazy work. Please getting not looking good. Weekly also not looking good. But say that we are in this loop. Good gang. Good. Support. Resistance. You know by the time it is. So Bitcoin, if you go underneath this support, you might be in the 50s, gang. For Bitcoin, how to fall. Same with Doge. Bit. Gold. Gold is rich.
Rich! Millionaire, hey! Rich! What, hey, what on the Bomboclat! Rich! Millionaire!
Look at gold.
Millionaire!
Fear. People buy gold out of fear. Fear's high, man. Fear's high. That's opportunities. That's opportunities for gold. Gold. Gold is going crazy. Is gold gonna hit 6K? Is gold gonna hit 6K?
Oh my God!
I think gold might hit 6K. Dang, bro, this Gucci's getting heavy on my eyes. Ugh. Gucci's definitely heavy, fool. Put the Gucci's back on. Light, bright, like my trading account when it's in the green, baby. Anyways, see, just a little do a little quick scan of the market, see what stocks that might be in play. Look at that. STZ. Pinterest. God damn.
Brother,
And just getting pooped on. Not looking good. AMD also. Let's rechart AMD right quick. See, last month.
brother,
Then we're going on a daily, actually weekly. Skip a step. Yeah, I think AMD might be doing, but AMD. Let's see. Just holding on support. Holding on to support too. Holding on to support. Boom. 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 See it. Adding a alert there. It's going to 4 hours. See what's going on. Also breaking lower lows. Creating lower lows. Look at the support level, man. The support level is strong. It's holding on to it. It's holding on. It's like, if it breaks, it's going down. Yes, you like my explanation? I know y'all love that. I love that. Palantir too. Let's clear Palantir and let's see what's going on with Palantirski. Month, 1 week. Palantirski. See Palantir. Boom. 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 Daily. Palantir's underneath the support. Daily support too. Major support, you know. Been around here, came back, been around, so 24 hour. This right here. Distance right there. On the 1 hour. Yeah, I see it. Good. Okay, doing the same thing as Palantir. Beneath the major resistance. Dang, I won't say regards, but yeah, I regret not taking that sell. Fuck fear. Fear is holding you back, you know. The only thing you got to fear is fear itself in trading. Robinhood gonna make a comeback. Let me delete this and drop your ass down here. FedEx.
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What on the day?
Bumbo. Yeah, am I getting some UPS too? Shit, I'm getting that UPS. Yes. We do FedEx and UPS. FedEx and UPS. Oh my God. No way. Yeah. Wow. Just taking much, man. It's just going crazy. Going up. Open up, man. My last little buckle before this thing went insane. Got nothing to fear but fear itself. See it. I see it. We see it. Yep, looks good. NJ.
Rich millionaire.
Crazy. A lot. I think there's more opportunity with Pfizer, especially when J&J is going crazy like this. Pfizer is a great opportunity to get into. So investing wise, might get into Pfizer. J&J just went crazy. Pfizer's also up. Netflix. Ooh, Netflix. Okay. Jordan Netflix. Mark up Netflix. Netflix has been looking
Brother,
the past few months, but I think not trying to buy that. Warner Bros. It's big. I guess that was good news. I don't know, brother. I don't know, brother. I don't know, brother. 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 I do not know. Support. Resistance support. I am. That's how Netflix looking like for real. Eh. Boeing. Still. Hancock. Cisco. Cisco might be in play. Cisco. Shoot. Cisco. Free market. Look at this indecision. Jesus. A lot of decisiveness. Weekly. Bearish engulfing, but seeing some fight back. That on right here. Got the distance daily. Boom. Yeah. Bada boom. Bang. Walmart. Target. Dollar General. Dollar Tree. Costco going crazy. Trade Desk. Hooked. Paycom. Paycom. It's not remarket actually. Let's do this right here. Off. Team sold off. Plug. PayPal. Jeez.
brother,
It's crazy. Crazy work. Lower than expected. Ultra Beauty. Gap.
brother,
Just pooped on Reddit and sold the hell off. Rough February. Oracle.
brother,
Not looking good. ZP. Doing his own. Uber. Lyft. Not looking alright. Yeah. Like by you, Vert. Cool. Kobe. Hey. On base. Management. Building. I don't know.
brother,
Next. dating it. Not dating, but trends. Coke.
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich, what?
SAP. Fox. Tel. E. MasterCard. Royal Caribbean Cruise. Walt Disney. Roblox. Luton. Take Two.
Brother,
Crazy. MX dropping like 5. CO. You be up top. Why? There's no. That's it. Under trades, man. I'm happy to. But it'll be another week. Trading list kind of full. Should definitely moving some real. Here's for alerts on. Clearing up my trading list. And all right, with everything, I think I've covered pretty much everything. I did not backtest the stream, but thank you so much, guys, for joining. I love y'all. Uganda Trades is it's time for me. Uganda Trades. Hopefully you have a profitable week and y'all be great. Don't forget to kiss your mother. Say hi to your father and tell him, give him a nod. Your brother punch him in the face. Sister, give her a hug and make some profit on the market. Thank the Lord. Pray out. Pray out. Whatever prayers the Lord. Uganda Trades.
We dig it with a ham and now we like.
Here.
Throwing money in the airline. We jig it with a ham and now we like.
Sabina code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer food. Yeah, everybody coming from the hood, so na kidnap.